it's She. I'm back today with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I move furniture by myself. I know that's probably a question that a lot of you have, like, how on earth do you be lifting these dresses by yourself? And y'all, literally, like, Kenzie helps me, or ooh, the sun's so bright, or I used to like struggle to do it myself. So now guys, I actually got this dolly from Amazon, and I linked it on my Amazon affiliate store, so you can click the link down in the description box and you'll find the oh my god, it's hot. Anyway, you'll find the link to the dolly that I use. I like this dolly because it has 2-in-1 like features or whatever. So this is what I currently have in my trunk right now. I always got some junk in the trunk. And right now I have this coffee table. What I really like to do to this coffee table is remove the top off of it and put a glass top on. It's for a client, and then paint the legs like gold. So I think that's going to be a DIY I'll show you guys soon. But I've never done that before, so I'm actually going to play around with it first. But what I need to move out of the trunk right now is this freaking dresser. This dresser was a dresser I picked up 2 weekends ago. No, last weekend. And it was in storage. You guys saw it when I went to my storage the other day. So I'm going to be taking this out of the trunk by myself because Mackenzie is gone. And so what we normally do, like me and Mackenzie, is we take all of the drawers out of the dresser first. And by taking all the drawers out of the dresser, it makes it much lighter, so you're not like lifting some heavy ass dresser. After the drawers are gone, they usually are pretty light. So guys, because I don't have a ton of storage space, I wanted to make sure that I got a dolly or cart that was like a small sized one. This one actually folds up, and I don't know if you guys can really see the whole cart or not. I never even took the plastic all the way off of it. Like, I've immediately just jumped into using it. But it has like 2 different modes. So you have dolly mode, and then you also have cart mode. So I really like the cart because, like, say for instance I wanted to move this table, or say I had a box or something, especially like if you're a person that lives in like an apartment where the door is like secured and you gotta go in the elevator and stuff. Like, I have a friend that lives in a building like that, and something like this would be great because it actually turns into a cart. So now you're able to easily like move this off the table and not like break your back. So I really like that you can do cart mode or dolly mode. So we're just gonna take this off. So I really love and enjoy this cart. And actually I did it wrong because, and I always do that, but y'all know my house is small and I don't have a ton of storage. So when I'm not using it, I just fold it up and put it under the couch. So I'm a girl, and give me a second because I forget how to do it. I think it just lifts up, but I can't. I always, oh, there we go. Yeah, it just lifts up. So this folds down, and then boom, that locks on. And now you can take this cart anywhere you go. Sometimes I bring it with me to storage even. Like, I was so happy I had this one day because all of the carts at the storage unit were gone. So unfortunately, fortunately, I had this with me. It was fairly inexpensive. I believe it was under $100, and it has saved my back a many a days. So now we're gonna put it in dolly mode. We're gonna put it in dolly mode because I have to move the dresser. So anyway, guys, that is literally how I move dressers by myself. That cart has saved my life on so many different occasions. So if you want to get the cart for yourself, it'll be down in the description box below. When you're moving furniture that's already been painted, you want to make sure you just wrap it really good in moving blankets. Then as long as it's in moving blankets, you don't have to worry about, you know, you scratching the paint and things like that. And so when I'm done painting, I just load up the finished piece and then I load it into my car and either deliver it to a customer or take it to storage. So anyway, guys, I have to go paint that piece of furniture. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.